guys, welcome back with another video. In this video I'm going to review DerpFest OS Android 11. Yesterday I uploaded DerpFest OS Android 12 ROM and that was really great, and I'm using this one also a perfect ROM, and this is also amazing and also a gaming ROM. This is really great, and you guys will watch the gameplay at the end of this video. So my recommendation will be, don't skip the video, watch till the end. So now let's get it started. And this is Android 11, and first of all I am just want to make sure you guys the smoothness, this is buttery smooth, no issues with that. Though we have so many built-in applications, but this is also buttery smooth, no issues with that. So optimizations are done greatly. So I just want to thanks Sam as 700, the maintainer of this ROM. So here is the settings and about section Android 11. You guys can see, of course Android 11 and October 1 2021 as it is Android 11, so security update a bit older, and the first version and maintainer, really thanks to him, and the kernel is 287 lineages plus. So this is cool. And now let's get into the system. And as usual, system we have, this is also a GApps build, so you guys don't need to install Play Store separately, no problem with that. And after that we have digital well-being and working without any problem. This is cool, everything working, and I didn't get a single problem. And accessibility as usual, you guys already know about that, and live translate, transcribe, whatever you say is there, and you guys can easily use that features. So many features are there, like captions, mono audio. If you want to combine, then you guys can easily use, no problem with that. And game turbo, of course, game turbo available, that means USB game turbo is there. And after that we have security, of course this is Android 11, so that's why we have some special features like face unlock and app blocker. Even we have the you guys can hide application, so also cool things, and everything is just working without any problem. And privacy as usual, and security you guys already watched. And here is the display settings as usual, adaptive brightness, double tap to wake, everything is just working. And if you guys want to enable blurs in the window, blurs at compositor, so you guys can enable this one, recurse reboot. So this is cool, and blur effect is working without any problem, I tested. And here is the display size as usual, customizations. And here is the battery, and I just want to make sure you guys the battery backup is great. I didn't get any problem with battery, so you guys will not face any problem with battery, so you guys can use, no issues. Here is the DerpQuest, that means the customizations hub. As usual we have so many customizations in that build as well. Navigation gesture option, just click on that, and you guys will, here you guys can see I'm using the navigation pill button. You guys can reduce the size, increase, decrease the radius, you guys can do, just click on the setting. I don't want to waste time here. And here you guys can see for navigations we have gestures. You guys can set so many gestures like screen off and adaptive playback, so you guys can do, no problem. Here you can double tap to sleep on lock screen, working without any problem, all those things are working. And volume rocker you guys can select according to choice. And after that we have quick settings toggle, like QS style you guys can change, so many QS styles are there, oxygen and triangles, gradients, pure accent, whatever you need you guys can choose according to your choice. And custom header, you guys can set custom header, and if you want, then I don't like that, that's why I am not using, you guys can use if you like that. And separators in header, add separators, notification headers, if you want to enable this one also you guys can use, no problem. And clear all button, gravity center, here is the button gravity center, and this is the button clear all button. So this is it. And after that we have themer, you guys can browse themes and according to your choice. And here is so many icon packs, styles are there, and wallpapers built in. And use Android 12 search bar, if you want to enable this one, then just click on that and toggle to use Android 12 style search bar in settings app. as your choice. And clock style, you guys can choose, so many clocks are there, you guys can choose with accent colors. This is cool. And here is the switch style. You guys can use OnePlus by default, Oxygen OS 11, Fluid, and Rest. Whatever you need, you guys can change. And here is the Wi-Fi icon. You guys can change the Wi-Fi icon. I already showed you in Android 12. They actually made a category in a different way, actually visual category on Android 12, but here is the written format. So you guys can select signal. You guys can also change the signal icon here, no problem. And here is some font, you guys can check out yourself. And the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Great thing. And after that we have heads up, and here's the pulse, never pulse. I talked about in so many videos. If you want while listening to music, you guys can have pulse like lava lamp, and visualization. Actually, you guys can enable this one by enabling never pulse and quick setting pulse, lock screen pulse, ambient pulse, and render mode, and gravity bottom. So many center mirrored, vertical mirrored, so many things are there. And here is the lava lamp. You guys can change accent, custom, and album art. So many things are there. If you want to use, then you guys can. And after that we have battery option. You guys know what's inside battery options. Clock and date, you guys already know. And display cutout as usual, normal. This is no use for us. And after that we have network indicator, and network indicator will be here. And if you reboot, it will work without any problem. So here is that show net speed in expanded status bar. You guys can enable this one like this, so that it can be shown here. You guys can check that yourself. And status bar ticker, no problem. Notification count, coverage level, 4G system icons, so many things are there. And after that we have weather options, general options as usual, temperature unit, screen of animation, CRT scale, whatever you need you guys can select. And you guys can enable background blur according to your choice, how much you want actually. And clock font options, you guys can change the font, clock font and date font, whatever you need. AOD icons on lock screen, AOD custom color, so many types are there, you guys can select. And here are some options you guys can see. And after that we have gaming mode. You guys can see by default you guys can enable this gaming mode, it will work without any problem. And you guys can set some presets. And general notifications, screen edge lighting, I actually enabled this one, I love it. And after that we have miscellaneous USB configuration, what you need. You guys can set file transfer, USB tethering, and MIDI, PTP, whatever you want. And Z visual mode you guys can enable, no problem. So many things are there. And force brightness values, you guys can increase or decrease the brightness values according to your choice. And as usual, internet section, we have all the necessary things like VoLTE, 4G, whatever you say, you guys will get every single options there. And by default we have some applications, and Google Maps is working without any problem. You guys will get that by default without any issue. And here you guys can see it's working without any problem. And you guys will get the Gmail links, and so many things are there. And after that we have safety net. Let me show you, does it pass or not. I already rooted my device with Magix 23 version, so you guys can see safety net passed. And after that you guys can see here, this is the Magix. Actually I rooted my device and it's still safety net passed, so you guys can easily use any banking application, official applications without any problem. Now let me show you. This is score, CPU throttle to 93%, which is a great score. And another important thing is that the Geekbench score. Let me show you. And here is that 268, the best score I ever had. Maybe I'm thinking of that. 268, as it is Android 11, but it is scoring like Android 12, more than Android 12, multi-core 1214. So that's great. And charging speed is also cool. I checked myself, so no issues with charging and this is it. And let me show you the settings. Icons, you guys can set icons size here. Default, if you want to decrease then go to minus, if you want to increase then go to plus, according to your choice. And icon pack, by default you guys will get a default icon pack and seams icon pack, and here I'm using the seams icon pack, so that's why it's just looking awesome. And after that we have home screen. You guys can see the hidden apps. You guys can use hidden applications. That means you guys can hide applications without any problem. All the applications are here, and you guys can hide according to choice. And double tap, and so many features at a glance, and alternative style, and double tap features. So many features are there in the launcher. And miscellaneous, you guys can enable blur from here as well, and show free RAM in recent. You guys can see show free RAM. So here you guys can see free RAM, it's showing here. This is cool feature, I guess, like MIUI. And here is the app, show app title. This is it actually. And here you guys can see just like Oxygen OS, the control center, and so many things are there. Here you guys can see screen recorder. You guys can use screen recorder, no problem. This is it. Hope you guys understand the video, and if you guys like my video, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further update. So thank you for watching.
So here is the gameplay. You can see this is Android 11 on DerpFest OS. Yesterday I already uploaded Android 12 review, and this is Android 11. So keep watching.
Both Android 11 and Android 12 both are perfect in gaming. No issues with gaming. You guys can do gaming without any problem. This is a cool thing. So hope you guys understand the gameplay. This is really cool and you guys can easily play games without any issues. This is really a gaming ROM. Android 11 and Android 12 both are perfect for gaming in DerpFest OS. So I blindly recommend you guys to use that ROM, no problem. So this is it.